Hi everyone, I'm Sylvia and you're watching my channel Amara. Today I will do the unboxing of these two decks, the Anna K Tarot and the Anna K Lenormand. This is the mass market version and this is the self-published deck. Anna K comes from Austria and she started to paint her tarot at the age of 14. Her deck follows the Rider-Waite-Smith tradition but eliminates many of the esoteric symbols. The faces are very expressive and you can see their emotions. And she is interesting that she did not use any human models. So let's start. We start first with the deck. There's some differences between the self-published deck and the mass market. But the cards are almost the same. So we open the deck like this, the box like this, and we have a book and the deck. Okay, the box is very thin, so yes, as you see. Okay, so the book has 230 pages. And we have a short story of the deck, tarot origins and usage, about the deck, reading the cards, a small selection of spreads. You can see we have the, I think is the original size of the card, yes, and the meanings are on the other side. We have some pages for notes from the small from the minor arcana. We have the same, yes. Okay, so the cards are bigger than usual. So this is a standard card size, you can see. They're brighter. Okay. These are the backs. We have 4 trees. Okay, I will zoom a little bit so you can see them. I think on the self-published cards, the borders are in different colors. We see. The full, maybe I will do like this. The Magician. I will try that you can see them. Maybe I will, maybe like this will be better. Okay. The High Priestess. The Empress. So you see they are glossy and it's really difficult. Yes. The Emperor, the High Priest, The lovers, you see, is an older couple. Maybe like this. The Chariot. The Justice. Have the Hermit. I like this Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. It's a little bit different. You see here an old woman. The Strength. The Hanged Man. And I love this card, this Death card. Temperance. The Devil. It's again a little bit different from the Rider-Waite-Smith. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. There is no horse, no baby. The Judgment. We have a different perspective, you see. They're coming out from the graves. The World. This is the back of the cards. Ace of Rods. Instead of Wands, we have here Two of Rods. Three of Rods. Four of Rods. Five of Rods. You see traditional images. Eight of Rods. 9. And the last one, 10. Then we go to the court cards. Page of Rods. Knight of Rods. The Queen. And the King. Then we go to the suit of the cups. We have Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Three of Cups, the Four of Cups, the 5, 6 of Cups, 7, 8, 9, 10 of Cups, the Page, Knight, Queen, and the King. Then we go to the Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, and 5. You see, there is no bird here with the 9 of Pentacles as the standard Rider-Waite-Smith. Knight, Queen, and the King. And we go to the swords. Some of the scenes are different, as you see. Five, 6, 7. I love this card. 9, 10, Anna Kay used colored pencils to draw this deck, and she's done a really good job. And the last one, King of Swords. The cardstock is thin. It's thin, you see, but it's not so bad. But it's glossy. So let's go to see the Lenormand deck. We have a book. Okay. It's in German language. So we have the meanings of the cards and some spreads. So they comes in this box, and the box is really sturdy. Oh, you see, you can open like this. This one too. So we have the woman and the man. They're not in order as I see, so I will show you as they are. The rider, clover, and you see the perspective is also different here. So you are on the ship. Very beautiful house, olive tree. You have the clouds. I love the snake. And also I love this perspective. So you are in the grave. So they are matte. These cards are matte. Bouquet. And I'm thinking to order also her deck, self-published deck, so I have the cardstock is sturdier as the mass market. Whip, birds, a very sweet child. We have a white fox here, the bear, the star. Stork, the dog is looking right at you, the tower, then we'll see, yes, the garden, the mountain, crossroads, the mice, heart, ring, interesting ring, connecting, books, a letter. Oh, we have maybe two men, I'm not sure. Yeah, two men and two women. So these two are the extra cards, so let's see them. They have different colors. So these are the two women. I will show you. And the two men. I'm not sure which one I will take. I will see later. But we have, these are winter scene. This is winter scene. And this is more spring, actually. Yeah. And we have also two lilies. One is white and the other one is orange. We have the sun, the moon, the key, the fish, the anchor, the cross, and we have an addition extra card. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's written in the book. I will check. No, it's not. It's not written here. Maybe we can decide if we will use it or not. Yeah. So these were the two decks, Anna K. Lenormand and Anna K. Tarot. Thank you for being with me. See you next time. Bye bye.